What's happening, beautiful people? My name is Jim and welcome to the channel. In here, we review smart home product devices as well as discuss tips and tricks for family tech that can help make our lives a little bit easier. So if you're interested in videos like that, please consider subscribing and click on that notification bell as well. Also, I have the show notes, the timestamps, and the affiliate links down in the description box below. Alright, let's go ahead and set up the Teckin Smart Plug, shall we? First, download the Smart Life. Once you've downloaded that, tap on it, create an account, if it's your first time. Then at the top screen, at the top side of top right screen here, tap the add button and then look for under electrician, socket, and then Wi-Fi. Alright, so you got to make sure that the Teckin Smart Plug is actually blinking where the power button is. If you need to reset it, just press this for about 3, 4, 5 seconds and then until it will just blink blue fast, like rapidly. Okay, alright, so I've set up my Teckin. Now it's blinking rapidly. Let's go ahead. Next one is you gotta make sure that your network is running under 2.4 gigahertz. 5 gigahertz will not work. Then you gotta make sure your Wi-Fi is set up and all of that, and password too. Once that's done, just press confirm. So now you are in this page where this app is trying to connect to the Teckin Smart Plug using your Wi-Fi. You know, they're talking to each other. Say, hi, how you doing? This is the first time that I met you. Oh, is it? Yeah, my name is Teckin Smart Plug. Oh, I'm a Smart Life app. I'll be the one that will be guiding you. So on and so forth. Blah, 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 this, blah, 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 that. So let's wait, okay? Alright, there you go. So now they are connected. So like I said, it'll ask for your, if you want to rename your Teckin Smart Plug. So no, I'm not going to rename that. Then where you want it to be added as a, where it will be located in my office, and then press done. That's pretty much it. Now you are connected with your Teckin Smart Plug. Now under this Teckin page here, you can do a few things. Schedule, when you want it on, and so on and so forth. Of course, you can do the timer as well. This is where this is what I like about this part here, the random. Let's say, for example, if you go out, you're on a vacation and then no one is house sitting, you can set this up so that it will light up. Let's say this is connected to a lamp. Your lamp will light up on a random time, on a random day, if you want. So you can just set it up like that. So that's pretty cool. The circular part, I really don't know what this is. I haven't tried it yet. I don't know what that is. Then next one is you can do some setups as well if you want here. Device information, tap to run automation, third-party control, Alexa, Google Assistant, and IFTTT. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that is how you set up your Teckin Smart Plug using the Smart Life app. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Smash that like button if you're inclined to do so. If you have any questions, please, write it down in the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. I really appreciate it. And as always, I will see you in my next one.